That was the seminar that we invited Mr. Pang to come to Hong Kong in January. In chemical waste is another one that's part of our business. Recycling oil, turn it back into good oil, reuse it again. And that business is interesting. You know, we're tiny in Hong Kong, but we have about 200 companies around the world come to Hong Kong, look at our plant, and we export our technology overseas. Okay, and we won awards around the world. And energy is definitely one of them. We have mentioned about the energy audit. Interesting. A lot of factories who are experts in building products, but they really lack of the knowledge on how to save energy, how to be green. So that will be emerging industry coming up with a lot of experts that can share and help people, from buildings to factories to you name it. So air quality is another big business that's going to be coming up. Waste to energy, besides the incinerator on the municipal waste, also food waste is another good source of energy. We could generate methane gas. We can use it directly. I'm working out a plan right now. Maybe we could sell the gas back to town gas. Besides, we can turn it into electricity. So there's all this garbage. When I look at it, I said, this is money. You just have to find, if you have enough of it, anything become money. Look at what the Egyptians in the Middle East, when they see this black oil coming out of the ground, they don't know what to do with it. But today we kill each other for it. So we just have to identify what the potentials are. There's some pictures. We try to find some sites and locations, and good support from EPD to try to find to maybe get some land that we can reuse, turn the food waste into gas. Well, that's my business. I just want to quickly mention it, not to do too much promo. But this is a technology we won around the world. In London, we were giving the Grain Award. We beat all the multinational, became the first ever SME won the Grain Award on this technology development. Because we have innovation. That's another key, innovation. Try to find some innovation technology that makes it work. I'll try to skip it. And also, we are the first company ever won the environmental science in China. There was a little hiccup when we tried to apply. They said they didn't think that Hong Kong have technology can compete with a 1,000 research institute in China. But anyway, we entered, we won, we even get the second tier prizes. And I mentioned about, reusing water in the sewage plant that they will have discharge. Even have seawater, we turn it back to clean water, reuse it. We built we started the hotel in Macau, reuse all the water, flush toilets, do all the irrigation, and we turn it to a very small package to public toilets. So now we're doing all the public toilets that recycle the water and flush the toilets. You save all the sewage. Now you imagine how much civil work you save, because just the pipe itself costs more than the public toilet to build it for civil work-wise. So we have done 50 already. We have 100 more to go. And being attracted to Japanese televisions to come over to interview us. Unfortunately, the earthquake hit Japan. Otherwise, this year will be my big year in Japan. They have so many companies come over and want to work with us. And our association, the federation, started the one factory, 1 year, one program. Because in order to expand this business, it's not one company. We want the whole industry to embrace it and look at it. So we teach people free of charge how to turn your factory into green. And not only do we teach you, we give you money. Okay? So thanks to Hang Seng Bank in this case, they help to sponsor us and give us awards and support all these programs. And we have a lot of winners. And again, create the excitement. People say, how do I win? How do I get some awards? So all this company have done a lot of work, and we develop a lot of projects. When I say 1-1-1, that was for one good reason. I want one factory, 1 year to do one project. That means the entry barrier is low. There's no excuse that you cannot do it. But once you start doing it, companies do 8-9 projects a year now, spending millions of dollars doing it. So again, it's a change of thinking, change of lifestyle, and just numbers of what we have done. And of course, Expo. Again, thanks for Edward's strong support. We have really turned We talked with TDC maybe almost 7, 8 years ago, and then slowly planned it out. And the first year was tough, and then when Edward helped us in the second year, expanding. Last year with over 300 exhibitors, and we are doing good, but not there yet. Frankly, you ask me, we think we still a lot of room. When I go to visit exhibitions in Frankfurt, I spend 1 week walking through all the exhibitors, all the booths. And so Hong Kong still have a lot of room to expand, and we can do more. Yeah, we even our groups even joined with Edward to Shanghai and try to promote the whole concept in Shanghai and in Macau, which they're learning fast and doing a lot of good work. We all can learn with it from each other. Of course, the Environmental Excellence Award, that is a great boost for the industry. We never complain about getting too many awards, okay? So the more, the merrier, the better. The higher level it is, the better. So, we get the CE, Mr. Donald Cheng, to give out the awards. Okay, this is another event coming up in China that we have the honor of Edward himself joining us in June to go, not only just to see the exhibition, but Hong Kong government, I think first time, actually support the whole Hong Kong pavilion, the cost of the booths. And so join us together. If you're a Hong Kong company, Registrars Hong Kong, in the future, we're going to have more events. We need to brand Hong Kong so people identify Hong Kong has some technology niche and some environmental missions. And so, anyway, my time is up. I want to thank you, and I probably, I think I see your seats here. It's no free breakfast, so we need to answer some questions. Okay, thank you very much.